There were at least 3 more on that side, but overgrown by the trees.
Picture tayo bago sa entrance.
Huh?
So the Japanese, they just dug a hole. Some of the Japanese tunnels, packed holes. Small opening, but if you're inside, wide na, ano na siya. Pwede kayo mag-post na doon sa ingat po ingat po.